Currently on the Chimacum ferry going to Seattle. Might be a little noisy here because of the wind. Hey, there's Bill. There he is. There's the Olympics in the distance. Bremerton. Alright, walking through Pike's Place Market here. We're going to a restaurant. This is a market in downtown Seattle, if you're not familiar with it, where you can buy all kinds of stuff. A lot of fish.
Salmon sandwich! I got one for David as well. David!
I don't know where I'm going.
Fish bar.
Oh, it's getting to be twilight almost, and we're down at the waterfront here, Seattle. Beautiful evening. This is it's gonna start cooling down a lot. Here we go.
I think the past
All right, going into the curiosity shop. I've been coming in here since I was a little kid. They have all kinds of strange, wondrous knickknacks. Much of it's not for sale because it's too cool.
These just look like a mug that Billy has, so I have to buy
Oh yeah,
this.
yeah.
I have to buy them for
I
him.
used that mug the whole time I was in.
Oh really?
Big
You're like,
fun.
I know that mug. That's a cool mug.
I used
So I
it.
got it for him on his birthday.
All right, we're gonna find the. Well, they had a mummy back here. What happened to him? Oh God. Ugh. Laugh with Jolly Jack. No, I don't think. Oh, there he is. All right. Man, I've been coming to see this guy since I was a little kid. Yeah, he's not laughing either. He's not laughing. What's his name again? Sylvester, that's right. Dad probably remember his name, Sylvester. You know that?
Let's see, yeah, Sylvester.
Holy moly. Oh! Sylvia. Sylvia's new.
Not really. Not that new.
Sylvia is not new. Oh. Sylvia's real. I don't know about Sylvester, but I think they might be, huh? Should I do some black and white photos?
I remember when the Rubik's Cube came out, my brother was sick. He wanted to get one. And he never was able to.